We took the digital inspection power of NextGear and combined it with the marketing performance of Retention Pro for a full-throttle business acceleration tool. Stay tuned in to your customers before, during, and after their service with fully integrated two-way text and email marketing campaigns and advanced appointment scheduling. Keep customers up to speed with real-time service updates, including full-color photos and videos sent directly to their smart device. Building trust and increasing AROs by an average of 39%. Use customer service history to send personalized marketing messages and appointment reminders. Target your customers with recommended and routine services to drive them back in the door. Put your repeat business on cruise control. Use individual service histories to speak directly to your customers with minimal effort. Sign up for a demo today and see how easy it is to accelerate your shop's performance.